Okay, so today we have absolute legend from Kenwood. This radio has few issues, so for potential buyers, I'm gonna show the issues in the end of the video. But for now, I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Many graphics. The main issues with these radios is the wheels, flywheels from the corners. They are broken. So in these days it's impossible to get them new. So I'm selling as it is. Also, this knob is a bit wobbly. Works perfect, but just wobbly. Now when I'm turning off the radio, it should flip off. But it does only half the way. The rest you have to do with the hand. So that's the main issue with this radio. Thumbs up, guys.